Hello, my name is Olof. This is a short guide to the garments certified for electric arc. An electric arc is an extreme heat explosion and a result of an extreme discharge of voltage or electrical current. The arc generates a massive amount of energy until explosion. It happens very fast, almost in the speed of light. You can compare it to lightning in nature. When wearing PPE, you will reduce the risk of getting a second-degree burn injury. First-degree burn injury is comparable to a sunburn. Second-degree burn injury will give you blisters. The surface of the sun is 6,000 degrees Celsius and we are 149,600,000 kilometers away. An electric arc can be up to 20,000 degrees Celsius, and workers are usually within 60 centimeters of the arc. Risk environments that are common is in high voltage areas and where people work with electricity and maintenance. Consequences during an electric arc are extreme temperatures, shock pressure waves, uncontrolled flying metal parts, high noise, UV emissions, toxic smoke and fumes. There are two test methods to determine the protective ability of fabrics and garments: the box test and the open arc test. The box test is a heat transfer measurement based on two different protection classes. If the test is passed, the material or the garment will be appointed a Class 1 or Class 2 result. Class 1 test will have an arc present of 4 kA in 1.5 seconds. Class 2 test will have an arc present of 7 kA in 1.5 seconds. For the fabric to pass the box test Class 1 or 2, the heat transferred through should not cause a second-degree burn injury. Open arc test. Garments and fabric is tested to an open arc flash, also described as a multidirectional arc. When using open arc test method, materials or assemblies are given an ATPV value, which stands for Arc Terminal Performance Value, and is expressed in kilojoules per square meter, which can be converted into familiar calories per square centimeter. Energy break-open threshold, EBT, is reported when ATPV cannot be measured due to fabric break-open during testing. Both ATPV and EBT are evaluated from the same open arc test. The first point to be reached determines the rating of the garment. EBT fabrics are typically more insulated than they are strong, and ATPV materials are stronger than they are insulated. Usually, EBT indicates that the garment is a knit and is more comfortable, but essentially no less protective to the user. Using several layers of garments in combination may give you a total protection value that is higher than the sum of the individual value for each garment. This is due to the air gap between each layer of fabric, which acts as an insulator and increases the protection and the overall performance. The outer garment will absorb most of the energy from the arc. Pockets on outer garments will act as additional layers and protect you even better. Be sure not to wear any undergarments or underwear made of polyamide, polyester, or acrylic fibers. It will melt your skin during an arc exposure. That's it for me, guys, so stay cool and stay safe. Bye!